The judge that was residing over the young Dolph death case, Judge Lee Coffey, has recused himself after a Tennessee appeals court questioned whether or not Judge Coffey could be impartial. So the attorney for Justin Johnson, aka StraightDrop, meaning you know him as Luke Evans, said he was not informed about an order issued in November by Judge Coffey limiting StraightDrop's ability to communicate with people outside the jail other than Evans. Essentially, Judge Coffey tried to make things more strict for StraightDrop after he dropped music from jail, and the judge didn't contact the defense or hold a hearing before issuing said order, which StraightDrop's attorney called punitive. So that led to the Tennessee appeals court saying, hold on, man, you didn't do that justly. We don't think you're being fair to StraightDrop. It's probably best for you to lead the case. He didn't willingly lead the case. There were a lot of rumors in the atmosphere. Had somebody got to Judge Lee Coffey? Had somebody threatened Judge Lee Coffey? This was more or less about him moving without doing things by the correct legal proceedings. There is already a new judge on the case. She's already started. Speaking of cases, the Young Thug RICO case in Atlanta, Georgia is going in the history books for the amount of time it has taken to find a jury. Nearly 10 months after the jury selection began, a panel of Georgia citizens was selected last Wednesday for the trial of rapper Young Thug. There are 12 jurors and 6 alternates. The trial will begin on November 27th for Mr. Jeffrey Lamar Williams. Young Thug continues to defend that his label YSL is strictly for music business. They've had a lot of success, been one of the most important groups in the music business over the last decade, while the prosecutors in Georgia are arguing that YSL stands for Young Slime Life, which is a violent street gang with national bloods that have been responsible for killing, shootings, and carjackings to collect money for the game. So these two sides are now officially about to go to war starting November 27. Y'all know I'm obviously going to be covering that case extensively. I can tell you that the latest gentleman, a part of the YSL crew that was picked up on the RICO case, I think they're now down to 6 defendants after the latest agreed to a plea deal. So you see where the prosecution's direction has been from the jump. They want Young Thug. They want to get him on a 10+ year sentence. We'll see what ends up playing out. Again, it took forever to get a jury for this case. And Young Thug's side has been, yo, look, I'm not arguing that I'm not a high profile figure. I think I should be out on bond while y'all find jurors. And the prosecutors have kind of been like, well, the reason why we believe it's taking us so long to find jurors is because behind the scenes, y'all may be threatening some of the potential jurors that we got. And we got people that are just going to ride for you because you're this big label and big entity. There's a lot going in there. All I know is making somebody sit down for 10 months or long, even longer than that, while you find jurors, to me, that doesn't feel right. Like, if you want them to sit down because you believe they're a danger to society, I feel that. And if you got enough legal precedents to make them sit down for whatever they did, man got to take responsibility for his actions. But to make somebody sit down because you can't get jurors on the case, I don't know. I would feel a way about that. When Young Thug, as you've seen in the picture, apparently has put on a considerable amount of weight, right? Hopefully it's healthy weight. But, I mean, he's got, to me, a strong case to say, yo, I should have been out and at least been able to fight and make money as a musician in other kind of ways, right? While my legal proceedings get to the place where we can get to a trial. So y'all let me know what y'all expecting from the Young Thug case. And again, the Young Dolph case is mostly going to take place in 2024. All right, time, love, and support is what your boy will never take for granted. I'm out.
I want to salute you, homie, for building your own thing and doing your own thing.
Why build theirs when I believe I can build my own?
You've already done it, or I wouldn't be here.
I'm already the only elite sports and music journalist in the game today. My goal is simple: to be the best there's ever been. So please don't go. Make sure you subscribe and follow the journey. It truly means everything to me. I tell stories, I talk music, I cover sports. I am culture. I am Ferro.